How to fix TikTok search not working. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if your TikTok search isn't working, the search bar does not respond, shows no results, or only find uses, sounds, or hashtags, you can try these solutions. First of all, you need to make sure that you have a strong internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also restart your Wi-Fi router or modem if needed. And also disable the VPNs and ad blockers. This can sometimes interfere with TikTok. Turn them off temporarily to see if the search starts working. Also try clearing the TikTok's cache. For that, simply go ahead and tap and hold on to this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top and then scroll down and tap on its storage. From here, tap on clear cache and you'll be done. Another thing you can do is go ahead and uninstall the TikTok application from your device and reinstall it using your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Now, another thing you can do is you can go ahead and update your TikTok application as well. Use the latest version of the app, and for that, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. From here, simply search for TikTok application. And if you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on update, which is highlighted in blue color, and this will update your app to its latest version. And sometimes the TikTok service might be down. So you can check a website like Down Detector for updates and make sure that your account follows the TikTok rules. Age limits or breaking the rules can limit the search features. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.